I'm going to introduce my project on project control for Teach 1. The purpose of this project is to monitor and implement the process of projects and assess future risks and complications. Here I will explain the schedule by inputting all of the given information into Excel from the chart that we were giving on Blackboard, where it will show the description of the activity, precedence, planned duration, and completed duration. When we look at the schedule on the next page, we can see that obtaining list of patients, sample patients, and print surveys are completed with 100%. And if we add all of the weeks together, we get a total of 17 weeks duration, which equals out to 119 days. Here is the schedule graph. It is named by task name, duration, start, finish, precedence, resource names, and our costs. To explain the critical path, which are the shortest duration to get there, we can define the list of critical path. They are A, B, D, E, F, and H, excluding C and G because they take too long. And here I'm going to show you what are the critical path and how to calculate them. The critical path is the precedence order and the planned duration. By calculating the rate of performance is done by completed duration divided by the planned duration. Here is the simple formula of actual work divided by planned work. So we get an actual work of 4 weeks plus 2 weeks, and then which is 6 weeks, versus the planned weeks is only 2 weeks plus 1 week equal 3 weeks. And you take 6 divided by 3, you get 2 weeks, which is equals to 2.0 or 200%. To calculate the anticipated delay of the project end of the project, which is the estimated project end minus the planned duration, which is you take 24 weeks minus 12 weeks equal 12 weeks. And to calculate the planned duration is total number of weeks minus total number of weeks not on a critical path. And yet the planned duration, which is 17 weeks minus 5 weeks not on critical, gives you 12 weeks. The estimated project end is found by planned duration times by the time of performance. Planned duration times rate of performance so the total weeks is 17 weeks minus 5 weeks equals 12 weeks, and the planned duration is 2, which is 12 times 2, so you get 24 weeks. And the next I'm going to show you is the performance on the Gantt chart. Using the Gantt chart, you can visually see the duration of the whole project and how long each section takes. Additionally, it may show complications. On the left side, you can see that the project and the list of resource names, which is obtain list of patients, sample patients, print surveys, mail survey tool, collect early responses, collect late responses, analyze data, and report finding. On the right side, you can see 3 of them are completed 100% while the rest are not. In introspection, what we learn and why it's important, we learned that keeping a schedule and staying in budget and time is important in finishing a project.